Hey guys, it's Sydney again here at Empire Chrome. This is Peg Leg Perky. We're here to tell you guys about these dual revolution lights. We've been getting a lot of questions about the previous video that we did on Jimmy's truck, the White Pete with all the green lights. These dual revolution lights are by Trucks Accessories. They're available in almost any color combination you can think of.
And folks, proceed with caution. These lights can be very addictive.
Alright, for the purposes of this video, we're going to stick to talking about the 4-inch rounds. Alright, they've got a standard DOT plug, which is a plug like this right here. And this will plug directly in the light. It'll wire up to your stop, tell, and turn function, or your park, turn, and clearance function. For the dual revolution, there'll be a yellow wire, and you'll use a bullet plug like this. You will tie this into a new switch or an existing auxiliary switch or any spare switches you may have. Another question we've been getting about Jimmy's truck is the switches in there. Now, he wanted a separate switch for everything. He's got a switch for his visor, switch for his bumper, for his underglow, his the sleeper lights, yes. And so what we did on every one of those, we ran a new toggle switch in his dash. He had plenty of room, but now he's quickly running out of all the room in the world. Alright guys, remember, don't forget to like and subscribe. Put a comment down below. Tell us what you think. If you got any questions, we'll try to answer them as fast as possible.
So guys, those lights are really cool, but what about the underglow on Jimmy's truck?
The underglow, I'm so glad you asked. Check this out. These underglow lights are also made by Trucks Accessories. These are really awesome because they're flexible, they're tank mounted, and they come with clips to hard mount them. As you can see, we have them in all sizes and colors, and they're really great because they're waterproof. They're great for underneath boxes where there's going to be a lot of grime and things hitting them. They're great for up underneath your cabin sleeper. It makes an excellent glow on the ground or off of your stainless boxes and tanks. What do you think, Mike?